Yeah, people, so we spot a machine, so you know where we go. I have to take a little walk around the machine, you know. The machine look good, so you know. I have to take a look at it, you see me? Yeah man, it's a working tool, so we know how to, you know. You know, a little catch up, you know. Proper tool. Peterbilt 579. Yeah man. Tool at see. Yeah peeps. So just there I go under the right. Wave it up on the block, so we are gonna check wave here now. Yeah. Yeah peeps. Price say cake soap, you know what time it is, you know. Yeah man. Ever clean, you know. Rich up man them peeps.
Who?
Rich up man, is he?
Yeah, rich up man.
But it's so clean and nice man, watch there. Tool a tool. Watch there man. Think it take boy? If you drive a 579. Yeah man. Tool a tool man. You leave. So you send no operator.
What?
You know start to vlog them.
No more, help me the YouTube page.
Yeah man. And them man, yeah, them. They man do adventure, you know man. They man take hard road, you know. Yeah man, they're still dead today man. Yeah man. The machine never hurry man. If you know, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. Hey, look for the machine, you know. Clean to the board. Tool a tool. Yeah man. Yeah man. Outside, you know. Now the west side, you know. Outside. Don't know. Original Indiiboss. Yeah man. Machine all faithful. Yeah man. Active. Yeah man. Yeah man. I do it for one man. Rest in peace one, you see? Remember to live on.
we drive down truck and
Yeah, man. Yeah. Real, man. Peeps, we hear details, you know? We hear the details in the future. But for now, we just go and give a vibe and remember what, you know? Yeah. Cranberry juice, you know? Yeah, peeps. I work, man, them I work, but them give you a little check-in, you know? You can get your stickers, just order them and cheap stickers, peeps. Nothing to worry about, you know? Yeah. Right now I'm loaded, peeps. Fully loaded. Where's it? Yeah, man, it's rough, man. Let's see, man. Yeah, man. A nice tune up on it. One white boy, you know? They run good, man. Baddest thing around town right now, me see. Yeah, man. Playing some. Yeah. Breeze. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, man, I'm watching. Yeah, peeps, one Wacky camera shy, so I'm avoid the camera. I avoid the camera, but you don't know they are checking, working, but you have to show a face on it way there, you know? Yeah, man. Eh? Ford.
Now, the machine in front of me, I make everything happen, you know?
Eh? Machine. machine, man. Full steel. Toll at all.
I think one Jordan for you know. The boy in Jamaican Trucking. One bad breed, you know. Maybe some juice or tin, you know. Someone arrive out here. Yeah.
1 yard, you know. Yeah, babes.